Using the Remote Touchpad. Models equipped with the Remote Touchpad can access and adjust many vehicle features available through the multimedia display using the ease of fingertip operation. Let's quickly review its controls. Pressing the menu button on the Remote Touchpad displays the main menu screen. Use the Remote Touchpad like a mouse. It can be moved around to control the on-screen buttons. You can select a highlighted feature by pressing down. The Remote Touchpad can be customized to your preferences by pressing Menu, then Setup. In the General category, use the up and down arrows to scroll, or select the control bar and slide your finger up or down on the touchpad. Then deselect it when finished. Here you can adjust a variety of features. Remote Touchpad customization includes feedback force, cursor speed, and multi-touch command on or off. For example, let's select feedback force. Selecting 3 will increase the feedback through the controller, and the toggle between on-screen buttons will be stiffer. Selecting 1 will lessen the feedback and make the toggle between on-screen buttons softer. 2 is in between, and off will turn feedback force off. Once you've made your selection, highlight and select feedback force again. The system will save your settings. Select the back button to return to the previous screen, or Menu will take you back to the main menu. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your technology quick guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.